today we will do our project in English project. So the project deep discussion. So for the title is should students have more free time or more study time? Okay.
I believe students should have more free time.
Result. I believe students should have more study time. Okay, directly to the topic. Hey Arya, have you been thinking about something lately? Do you think students today have enough study time?
Honestly, I think they are already have too much study time. What they really need is more free time.
Really, I completely disagree with how competitive the world is now. Students actually need more time to study, not less.
I get your point about competition, but if students spend all the time studying, they will burn out. Free time is important for mental health.
That's true, but without enough study time, how can they keep up with academic demands? Schools are already struggling to cover all the material.
But learning isn't just about memorizing information. Free time helps students explore their interests, develop creativity, and learn life skills outside the classroom.
Sure, but structured learning will discipline. If students have too much free time, they might waste it on things that can help their future, like scrolling social media all day.
That depends on the student. Free time doesn't actually mean waste time. It can mean sports, hobbies, family time, or even rest, which is essential for productivity.
I agree. Rest is important, but balance is key. Many students already struggle with basic subjects like math and science. Giving them more free time might make that worse.
Or it could actually improve their performance. When students are well rested and less stressed, they can focus better during study time.
That's a fair point. But what about students who don't have strong motivation without enough study time, they might fall behind.
That's where guidance comes in, from teachers and parents. Instead of increasing study hours, we should improve how students study.
So you're saying quality over quantity?
Exactly. Long hours don't always equal effective learning. Sometimes shorter, focused study sessions work better.
I can see that, but I still think students need more time to practice, especially for exam. Practice takes time.
True, but constant studying can create pressure. Too much pressure can lead to anxiety and even make students dislike learning.
Yeah, academic stress is a real issue these days.
Right. And free time helps students recharge. It also helps them develop social skills by spending time with friends.
Social skills are important, I agree, but can student develop those skills at school?
To some extent, yes, but unstructured environments like playgrounds teach different kinds of social interactions.
That's interesting. I never thought about it that way.
Also, free time allows students to discover their passions. Nothing everything valuable is taught in textbooks.
But if their passion doesn't lead to a stable career, education, confidence, and several path, that's
That's a common concern. But many successful people found their careers through hobbies they explored in their free time.
fair enough. Still, I worry that too much free time could reduce overall.
And I worry that too much study time could harm students' well-being. It's really about finding the right balance.
So maybe the real question isn't more free time or more study time, but how to balance both eventually.
Exactly. Students need both to study time builds knowledge, while free time supports mental health and personal growth.
I like that actually maybe schools should focus on smarter school days instead of just adding more hours.
Yes, for example, shorter school days but with more focused lessons.
And maybe less homework but more meaningful cycle.
Definitely, that will give students time to relax without sacrificing learning.
You know, I'm starting to agree with you, at least partly,
I'll take that as a win.
but I still believe study time is essential.
I agree. I just think it shouldn't dominate a student's entire life.
That's where students are not robots. They need time to enjoy life too.
Exactly. Education should support healthy, balanced life and not replace it.
So, in conclusion, students need both sufficiently to the time and enough free time.
Yes, balance is the key.
Well, that was a productive discussion.
Agree. Maybe we should take a break now. Practice what we preach.
Sounds like a good idea.
Okay, maybe that's all from us. Sorry if we have many mistakes in our words or maybe in our style.
So, you just study more free time or more study time.
I think I'll choose more free time because I need more free time to my family and my friend.
If more free time, so if exam haven't like many study, oh,
I should manage that time. Study, I need just study to this time at least 1 hour or maybe 45 minutes, and then I can do free time to my family or to my brother.
okay.
And how about you? More study time or free time?
I think more study because later if exam, if the exam hard, even study, like maybe the score bad, and then our parent angry because the score bad.
Then, how do you manage your time to study and with your family?
Better a half of the day I will study, and then a half of the day I will with my family to like go anywhere and playing with my parent or my brother. Maybe just that.
Alright, that's all from us. Thank you for listening our deep discussion. So if I have any mistake, I'm Aryan Hermawan.
I am Rizal Septa Maulana.
Last say,
Assalamualaikum
Assalamualaikum
warahmatullahi